In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly wrap a burrito. Stay tuned. Welcome to the Dum Dum Channel. Are you feeling like a dum-dum? It's okay. We're here to help. First off, make sure your tortilla is warm. Heat it in a microwave or over a hot pan for 10 or 15 seconds. Place your fixings in the center of the burrito. Pull the sides of the tortilla and hold them in place with your fingers. Use your fingers to hold the sides in place as you grab the bottom of the tortilla. With your thumbs, fold it over the inside. Tuck the tortilla in tight around the insides and roll it up. Now guess what? You have yourself a burrito. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.